Thinking about traveling to Germany? Here's a German word you might want to know, rasen, which has a few related meanings depending on context. Rasen can mean to speed or race, like when someone or something moves very fast. Das Auto rast über die Autobahn. The car is speeding or racing down the highway. Rasen can also mean to rage, and it can describe something that is moving violently or intensely. Der Sturm rast über das Land. The storm is raging across the country. Now, here's an important difference. Der Rasen, with a capital R, is a completely different word. Der Rasen means the lawn or grass. Ich musste den Rasen mähen. I have to mow the lawn. So, Rasen is to race or speed, and der Rasen is the lawn or grass. An easy way to remember is das Auto rast, the car races, and der Rasen wächst, the lawn grows. Can you give me an example with Rasen and Rasen? Let me know in the comments.